Bullish Pepe cost expectation for 2023 is $0.00001859 to $0.0000287444. Pepe cost could reach $0.000003 soon. Negative Pepe cost expectation for 2023 is $0.0000084336. In this Pepe cost forecast 2023, we will examine the value examples of Pepe by utilizing precise merchant-amicable specialized examination pointers and furthermore, foresee the future development of the cryptographic money. What is Pepe? Pepe, a deflationary meme coin sent off on Ethereum, is Pepe. Pepe presents a remarkable contribution inside the image coin market by expanding upon the tradition of Pepe the Frog, a person with a long-standing and disputable history. Pepe's consuming component further features its unmistakable nature, meaning to keep up with shortage inside the market. Pepe is an ERC20 token on the Ethereum blockchain, which is gotten by the verification of stake pose agreement component. Pepe value expectation 2023. Pepe position 68th on CoinMarketCap in conditions of its market capitalization. The outline of the Pepe price expectation for 2023 is made sense of beneath with an everyday time period. In the above diagram, Pepe spread out an even channel example. Even channel example, otherwise called the sideways pattern. As a general rule, the even channel is framed during the cost combination. In this example, the upper trend line, the line which associates the highs, and the lower trend line which associates the lows, run evenly equal, and the cost activity is held inside it. An even channel is in many cases viewed as one of the reasonable examples for timing the market, as the trading focuses are in union. At the hour of investigation, the cost of Pepe was recorded at $0.00000896. On the off chance that the example pattern proceeds, the cost of Pepe could arrive at the obstruction levels of $0.0000017670 and $0.0000021899. Assuming the pattern turns around, the cost of Pepe might tumble to the help of $0.0000015911 and $0.0000014293. Pepe opposition and backing levels. The diagram given beneath clarifies the conceivable obstruction and backing levels of Pepe in 2023. According to the above investigation, in the event that fundamental considerations, Pepe bulls start to lead the pack, it could hit an advancement its obstruction level of $0.0000028744. Alternately, assuming that essential considerations, Pepe bears rule the pattern, the cost of Pepe could plunge to $0.0000084336. Pepe value expectation 2023. RVOL, MAMA, and RSI, the specialized examination pointers like relative volume, RVOL, moving normal, MAMA, and relative strength record, RSI of Pepe, are displayed in the graph underneath. The specialized examination marker relative volume, RVOL, is utilized to gauge the exchanging volume of a resource connection to its new typical volumes. It is normally determined by separating the ongoing day's exchanging volume by the normal volume over a predefined period, like the beyond 20 or 50 exchanging days. Likewise, it assists merchants with recognizing surprising exchanging action and changes market opinion. At the hour of investigation, the RVOL of Pepe was found over the N line. Subsequently, it means major areas of strength for N of members exchanging the latest thing. The following specialized pointer is the moving normal, MAMA. This force marker is utilized to streamline cost information and distinguish patterns on the lookout. It helps in computing the typical cost of a resource over a particular period. Especially, the 50-day moving normal, 50 MAMA, assesses the typical shutting cost of the resource throughout recent days. At the point when the cost of a resource is above 50 MA, it is viewed as in an upswing, bullish, and whenever late underneath 50 MA, it is in a downtrend, negative. Quite in the above diagram, the Pepe cost lies over 50 MAMA, present moment, showing its upswing. Consequently, Pepe is in a bullish state. Albeit this is the present status, a pattern inversion could happen. Next up is the overall strength record, RSI. Essentially, this examination pointer assists merchants with deciding the strength and energy of a resource's cost development over a particular period. In this examination, The RSI is determined by looking at the typical additions and misfortunes of the resource over the beyond 14 periods. The subsequent worth lies between a scope of 0 and 100. Subsequently, the readings over 70 show an overbought state and under 30 demonstrate an oversold state. Altogether, brokers frequently utilize the RSI to recognize potential pattern inversions or to affirm the pattern's course. For example, assuming a resource is in an upswing and the RSI comes to an overbought perusing of 70. It might propose that the resource is expected for a pullback or remedy. On the other hand, on the off chance that a resource is in a downtrend and the RSI is in an oversold perusing of 30, it might propose a likely inversion. At the hour of investigation, the RSI of Pepe is at 77.30. Thusly, this shows Pepe is in an overbought state. Pepe, value forecast 2023 ADX. RVI in the beneath diagram. We examine the strength and unpredictability of Pepe, utilizing the accompanying specialized examination pointers, normal directional record, ADX, and relative instability file, RVI. From the above graph, we can decipher that the value activity of Pepe is like that of BTC and ETH. That is the point at which the cost of BTC and ETH increments or diminishes. The cost of Pepe likewise increments or diminishes individually. Pepe, value expectation 2024 to 2030. With the assistance of the previously mentioned specialized investigation markers and pattern designs, let us anticipate the cost of Pepe, somewhere in the range of 2024 and 2030. Pepe, value forecast 2024 in the event that bulls overwhelm the value energy and pattern designs, Pepe could effectively test and outperform its opposition levels to hit $0.000008 by 2024. Pepe, cost expectation 2025. The huge redesigns in the Pepe biological system could convince the passage of an expanded number of financial backers. This may ultimately support the Pepe cost to reach $0.00001 by 2025. Pepe, value forecast 2026. If Pepe effectively tests its significant obstruction levels and keeps on moving potential gain, then it would revitalize to hit $0.00005. Pepe, value forecast 2027. If Pepe supports significant opposition levels and stands as a superior venture choice on the lookout, then, at that point, Pepe would mobilize to hit $0.0008. Pepe, value expectation 2028. If Pepe holds a positive market feeling in the midst of the exceptionally unpredictable crypto market by driving critical cost rallies, then Pepe would hit $0.0001 by 2028. Pepe, value forecast 2029. Assuming financial backers run in and keep on putting down their wagers on Pepe, then the crypto would observe significant spikes. Subsequently, Pepe could hit $0.0003 by 2029. Pepe,